Okay. Now, here's the real video. I'm gonna open up what I just made here in Photoshop because I need Photoshop. You can argue with me all day long about it, but I still need Photoshop. Kind of open this up. Okay. Now, what this is, okay, it's many layers. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 layers, 6 layers. So you want to hide one. See how that leg is positioned on top of the body. How that arm is positioned top of the body. How that arm. There's the body. There's the head. Okay. There's the other leg. Okay. Now the reason why that it's done this way, and I cut out the background like this, okay, is so that I can superimpose it onto another background because this will all be see-through. Okay, and then like something like this arm right here in Adobe Effects. Okay, see how I can rotate this arm. Okay, put it back. See if I put the pivot mark right here. See how it looks like the arm is moving up and down. Okay, what After Effects does is it takes these layers right here that I cut out like this, okay, and it animates them. It creates keyframes. Okay, so once I've done something like this, okay, I can save it. Apply. Save it as a PSD. Okay. Now, if I start After Effects, we're going to do a new composition. Name it Wonder. Hit OK. Okay, we're going to import that PSD that we just made. Now, I want to enable layer styles just in case I put some drop shadow on it or something like that. Okay, we're going to bring it in as a composition and hit OK. Right. Now if I double click on it, it will automatically put it down here, and see how it's put it down here in layers. What I'm going to do is hide each one of these. Okay, and okay, that's the first leg. So I'm going to right click and hit rename. That's left underscore leg. Hide that one. Open this one. That's left arm. Hide that one. This is right arm. Hide that one. This is head. This is the body. And this is the right leg. Okay, now that we have them all named, you're going to get like little floaties like this sometimes. You just grab your eraser tool. Whatever you do, don't be retarded. Okay. Like I was a minute ago. For some reason it won't let me edit it. Okay, there we go. Go back to here. Okay, so right leg, I want to double click on it like that to edit it. See, I want to trim this a little bit. Okay. Do this on the body, same thing on the body. We're going to take all these little floaties out. Even that up. You know, just whatever, just touch it up. Just making sure they look good. Okay. Click back on here. Okay. Now, let's say I want to animate the right arm. Right arm. Okay, I'm going to hit rotation. Okay. Now see, right now it's going to pivot it that way, like that. See? I don't want it to do that. So I'm going to come up here and go to transform anchor point. That's the anchor point right there. Okay. So if I slide it down this way, like that, and then slide it over this way, and I put the anchor point like right on there, and then put this back up here, like so. Now, when I rotate it, watch. See? See how it does that? Okay. Put it back in the original spot. Now, if I want to move that, okay, I click on it here. I'm just going to put this at the end, that little bar right here. I'm going to put the end right there. And I'm going to double click that. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm going to click that right there. So you created a keyframe right there. Okay. Okay. Now it's not moving right now because this is the same position as the beginning. Okay. But if I double click on that and let's say put this 20 degrees. Okay. What it's going to do is start this. Actually, we want to start this off at 0 degrees. No, let's put 50. 50 degrees. No. Let's do negative 50. So I want to go the other way. Okay. Now if I come back here and do another keyframe, which would mean I hit that. Come back here. And all you have to do is just change, in order to do a new one, you just change this to 20. Okay. Now if I hit play, it's gonna move really slow, but it's moving, see? Okay, what you would need to do is increase this by like 100. See, I went a little bit faster there. Now if I put them closer together like that, see how it moved faster? Let's make this back down to 20. Put that back down to 0. See? Closer I put the keyframes together. See, I put them like right there. She'll move faster. I could take like that keyframe, copy it, and do this one over here. And then if I position like this right here, and then hit paste, it'll paste that keyframe I just did. And if I go back, see, I just made her arm move. Just do a little fist pump. Now if I highlight all these keyframes, and hit copy, it's going to paste it wherever that little red thing is down there. Let's see, paste. Okay, I could put it like right next to there. Okay, hit play. She's like, see? And that's how you do it. Okay. A little fish pump. Oh yeah. Okay. Now, if I wanted to, I could take the body. Well, I'm gonna take the left leg. See this little thing right here? I'm gonna anchor it to the body. Anchor to the body. I'm gonna anchor that to the body. I'm gonna anchor that to the body. Anchor that to the body. And anchor that. Oops. Anchor that to the body. Okay. So now if I highlight the body and I move the body, everything else moves with it, see? But I could still like rotate. See, I could still rotate that. But I could like rotate that down that way, and like that could rotate. If I hit R, I can rotate the body like that, see? So like we're just gonna like go onto the body. We're gonna add what's called an expression. Okay, and we're gonna do a wiggle. 220, comma like 5. Bracket. 0 that out. Reposition that. See how it does a wiggle? It's good. It's moving it back and forth in different positions. Because like if I go like 20 is probably too much. Like probably do like 5. That's good. I need the original. Make her come back up here. You know, if I really wanted to, no, like the other one I put I superposed a head up here. But if I wanted to, I can go up to my head and zoom in on the mouth and grab my pen tool. And we're gonna do this and this and this and this. Shove there. Let's put that in the middle. Boom. Okay. I'm gonna duplicate this layer. Duplicate. I'm gonna make sure you have it selected. Duplicate. Okay, and then we're gonna name this mouth. And we're back. I just need to double check something real quick.
Is a rather unflattering cutout of just a mouth. So what we're going to do now is duplicate this. I'm going to name one of these mouth, and the other one is already named body. I'm going to select both layers, hit MM to
Okay, you see what I did there? Okay. Now let's say I wanna test 3. Just gonna position that at the very bottom. Come up here and go to and then we're going to LL. No, UU. Yeah. Delete this channel. Those two channels. There's a slider. Go to mouth. Hit position. And then we're gonna add expression. Okay. Now I'm gonna hit save. And then I'm gonna open this other project. Just because I want to go in here and grab some code off the mouth. I'm gonna grab this code right here. Copy that. Open this project back open. I did not just do that. I did. That's okay. You don't need to know what I just did. Go into here. Hit paste. Now it should. Here, let's zoom out first. Okay. See how it's going way too far down? That means I have to adjust the code a little bit.
So, I'm supposed to go over there and do.
Okay, we have to go into the expression here. And like this is too much. It's one of these is too much. So let's like do 10 there. And then let's see. Yeah, still going way too far down. God, I don't want to hear it.
So,
Make this back to 20. And put this down to like 10. Okay, that's still too much, see? We're gonna go 3.
So, I'm supposed to go over there and do what now? So basically what you're saying is that we're supposed to do this, and then we're supposed to do this, and then we're supposed to do the what now? Anywho, what? So, I'm supposed to go over there and do what now? So basically what you're saying
So that's how you do that. Yeah, so that's how you do that, and then after you're done, let's say like we were done right now, you would go into composition, add to rendering queue, go into low Z, enable your audio, hit OK. I want to save this to woman 2, save, and then hit render. And see, this is the rendering process. It's going to render it. I'll be pausing sometimes in there because I'm thinking about what I'm doing, but I'm gonna edit all this stuff, so it should be come out pretty good. Right now I'm just filling space because I'm rendering. So here we go. It's almost done. And if I wanted to, I could make like that head wiggle or the whole body wiggle and all sorts of cool things. Okay, it's done rendering. It'll let me know like that, and then come in here and find where it saved it to. Where was the output? Um, should be right here. There it is.
so, I'm supposed to go over there and do what now? So basically what you're saying is that we're supposed to do this, and then we're supposed to do this, and then we're supposed to do the what now? Anywho, what?
And that's how you do that. So if you have any more questions, I'll make another video. Bye.